Welcome to the Fullerton College Library Workshops. I hope you're excited about taking one of the workshops and that you come away with it with a new knowledge. So let's talk a little bit about how to navigate the workshop website. Each one of the workshops is a module within this particular Canvas site. And there are two ways that you can access individual workshops. Here from the home page, you can select a workshop and click on it. Or you can go back to the home page and go to modules. And this will show each module and then you can access them here. But each one of the workshops is a module within this particular Canvas course. In order to pass a course, you need to earn 80% or higher on each one of the quizzes within that course. The way that each workshop is arranged is there are a series of quizzes. You'll watch a video and then you'll be quizzed on the contents. Then you'll watch another video and a quiz, etc., etc. Each one of the beginning quizzes will have two opportunities for you to pass it. If you don't pass in those two opportunities with 80% or higher, email us and we will reset it and give you another opportunity. The final quiz in each one of the modules has some reflective questions. And those reflective questions are open-ended, so you're going to be writing responses, not just choosing multiple choice or true false. So those are going to require some critical thinking. Please allow up to 3 business days for your quizzes to be graded because of that open-ended question component. Which means if you have a workshop assigned, don't leave it till the last minute to complete because it's going to take us up to 3 business days to grade it for you to be able to upload it to your Canvas course. So we say if it's due on a Saturday, make sure you complete it by Thursday. Another thing that you'll want to make note of is that in order to show proof, you will be saving a copy of your grades. And that's simple. You just go to the grades option on the left-hand toolbar. And this will show you what you've earned on every quiz. So if we look here at avoiding plagiarism, notice there's 5 quizzes. There should be scores here, but I haven't taken these quizzes myself. I'm just using this as an example. But there should be 80% or higher for each one of the quizzes. Then you'll just go to print grades and you'll get the option to save as a PDF. You'll save it, give it a name, and then you will be able to upload that to Canvas to show proof to your instructor that you completed the workshop and that you scored 80% or higher in each one of the quizzes. So it's very, very simple. Again, you can access the quizzes here from the home page or from modules. Once you have completed and had your workshop graded, you will go to your grades and then print. 2 things to consider is this. We have a zero tolerance policy for any sort of plagiarism. And that also leads into the fact that you may not use any form of AI to complete the quizzes. We want to know what you think. We want to see what you've learned. Do not use AI or do any sort of outside research to answer the questions. Everything that you need is included in each quiz. So that's kind of the brief overview. If you have any questions, you can reach out to me. I'm Lugene. And my information is down here. So you can email me, you can call me, come in to the reference desk. So there's a lot of different ways that you can reach me. But that's it, and I hope you have fun with the workshops and that you pass each and every one you take. They're not hard. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.